What's up, people of the world? How are you all doing so far in your lives? I know that the Philippines right now is quite experiencing massive heat of the sun, and we could really feel its effects. How about you, Erwin? Did you feel the effects of the massive heat?
Yes.
I would just like to welcome you to this episode again, where we will discuss relevant things that could really change our lives, right, Erwin?
Yes.
So our topic for today is quite interesting, but most of us are already familiar with this one, since with the advent of media and technology, with the quick spread of information, we couldn't really help but be enamored with this kind of issue as well. So our topic for today is all about Descarte or diploma. Now, Erwin, have you heard about this issue at hand, especially online, maybe on Facebook or in different social media platforms?
Yes. Seen a lot of bloggers that their contents is about diploma and discarte.
So now let's try to debug first about these two terms right here. We have Descarte and we also have diploma. Let's start first with Descarte first. For you, Erwin, what is Descarte?
Discarte is skills, ability of individual that also important qualities of a person.
Okay, I also agree with your point that Descarte also refers to the different skills that an individual possess. So this Descarte could also mean navigating your way throughout your life, since there are things in our lives which we really wanted but we couldn't just get it due to such circumstances. That's why we need to be Descarte first, have the different skills in order to compensate other things first, just to improve the quality of our lives, and then getting the things that we wanted. And so let's proceed to the second one, diploma. I guess diploma is quite familiar with us, right, Erwin, considering the fact that we also got diplomas ever since in our elementary or in our high school. Now for you, Erwin, what is a diploma, by the way?
Diploma is a certificate get after graduation graduate.
Yes. So diploma is a kind of certificate that you will get after completing all the requirements, right? But for me, diploma is more than just a certificate. It's also your somewhat like the fruit of your labor, your efforts, your blood, sweat, and tears that you have rendered, especially in all of those years. Because guys, everyone's schooling is very hard. It's not very easy attaining a diploma. So Descarte or diploma, those things are quite different, but they're equally as important, right, Erwin?
Yes.
Because as they say, without being Descarte in life, you wouldn't get the diploma, and without the diploma, you could also not be Descarte in your life. Or do you agree with me, Erwin?
Yes, I agree.
Erwin also seems to agree with me. Why do you agree with me, by the way, Erwin?
Because for me is they both are important. If you apply a job, you need this diploma, and if you don't have a discarte, you did not get a diploma. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So I also agree with Erwin's point that for most of the jobs, it really requires a diploma, and without the diploma, you really couldn't get a job. Especially here in the Philippines, we are just a developing country. We are not like those countries who wouldn't require a diploma for you to get a job. But here in the Philippines, it is really a requirement for most of the jobs in here. That is why we really need to get a diploma first to get a job. That's basically one of the reasons why most of the people would attain a diploma just to get a job. But there also are those people who would be Descarte first before getting their diploma, because again, not all of us are blessed in this life, right, Erwin?
Yes.
Some of us are born poor, while some of us are born rich. So there are those people out there who would be Descarte first in their lives, finding ways to improve their quality of lives first, and then they would also get the diplomas in the end. Do you agree with me, Erwin?
Yes.
Did you also experience, being Descarte in your life?
Yes. I experienced while I'm studying. Then I apply a work, but suddenly I didn't get that job because of the requirements like certificate, but instead of pursue a job, I continue my studies.
It's quite interesting that I know about you that you applied for a job before. When was that, by the way?
When I'm senior high.
Oh, so when you were in senior high school, you were able to apply for a job, but suddenly you didn't get the job because you didn't have a diploma, right?
Yes.
So what did you feel about that, not getting a job?
I feel sad because that's a way to get allowance to get allowance and to consume buy things that I need to school.
Yeah, so that's just what I've said before, that due to the unforeseen circumstances in our lives, poverty, for example, financial struggles, we couldn't help but be madiscarte in our lives first, just to improve the quality of our life. Anyway, let's move forward to this another room for discussion. Let's discuss first either what will be our preferred choice, whether it will be diploma or discarte. How about you, Erwin? Let's start with you first. What would you choose? Discarte or diploma, or why not both?
I choose both because in our country we need, if you apply a job, you need a diploma, but if you don't have a discarte, you will not get a diploma. So I choose both.
Are discarte, diploma both important for you?
Yes, because if you don't have a discarte and diploma, you didn't have get a job that you want. And if you have both, so you get a job to support to your families and to sustain your needs.
Thank you, Erwin, for that opinion. You know, the quite funny or ironic thing was that I was also asked by this issue at hand by one of my friends. So he also asked me whether what would be my preferred choice, whether it will be diploma or discarte. But eventually at that time, because I valued education so much to the point that I choose diploma over discarte first. Why? Because again, education for me is really important, and it is the highest glory for me. Attaining that diploma will be my huge honor and privilege, and it will be a testament for my skills that I have done so far, of what I have done so far in my life, and be successful in this life. So that was why at that time I chose diploma. But I do agree with your point, Erwin, that you said that for you, discarte and diploma are both important points in your life. And why not choose both, right? It's not just about being a discarte in life. It's not just also about attaining a diploma, but you could also be a discarte in your life while attaining your diploma. So wow, that has been a great episode so far. What do you guys think? I hope that you have already gained something out from this, especially from what we've shared to you about our personal views or experiences with this issue at hand, diploma or discarte. But whatever it is, whatever choice you will make, either discarte or diploma, I hope that you will not regret it, but it will make you happy. So again, I hope that by the next few episodes of another room of discussion about social relevant topics, I hope that you will stay in tune with us. Again, this is Mariela Tibalagtas.
This is Erwin El Cepidosa.
And this is Unfiltered, a podcast for all. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Oh,